Now, whenever I change my page or whenever I send a request to the server, if you guys notice in here, there is a progress indicator, that a line that goes like this. We can also change this in Inertia. If I come to Inertia documentation and scroll down in the advanced section, in here we have progress indicators. And if I scroll down, we have defaults. So in here it says, give us an example that we can change the color, we can delay it, we can include the default CSS, and also we can show a spinner. So let's see it in a demo right now in my student controller. In here, let's put this, add a sleep function here for 3 seconds. Now let's save this. Let's go back. Whenever I click add students, it will take 3 seconds to load. So as you guys can see, this one. Now if I want to change this, so let's change the color. So let's copy the color from here and let's go to our uh, app.js, and in here in the create inertia app we have progress. We can change the color. So let's add the new color, save. Now let's go back, let them finish. Okay, so now let's click again. Now the color has been changed. We can add any color in here we want. And also let's go back to the documentation. We can also show a spinner. So if I copy this and paste it in here, then set it to true. Now if I go, so when I click the student, in the right side I got a spinner also. So let's click at teachers, I got the spinner, and now the spinner is showing. So if you want to display the spinner or change the color or any other settings that you want to do with the progress indicator, you can do it in your app.jsx. Even if you want to completely disable the progress indicator, you can do that also. So if you come to the documentation and scroll down in here, you can see you can disable it like this by just setting the value to false. So let's delete that all of them, set it to false, save. Let's go back. Now let's wait. Now when I click the teachers, I don't get the progress indicator. And also if I click the students, there is no progress indicator and the page will directly show. So let's do it one more time. Nothing. Students, still no progress indicator. So let's go and undo our changes. That's it. Now let's go back. Click. We got our progress indicator and spinner back.